Hi, I'm Brooke. I'm a leasing consultant at the Curb Apartments. I'm going to show you our one-bedroom A2 layout. Now this floor plan is 854 square feet. Come on in here with me. Now over here you have your beautiful L-shaped kitchen. Beautiful overhead lighting. We have your movable island here. Quartz countertops, flat panel cabinets, gas range stove here, and then you also have garbage disposal in the sink and your dishwasher, ice maker in the freezer here, and then we have your pantry. A nice open living room. You got tons of natural light from this floor to ceiling window. Now with this apartment you have a full-size balcony. This one faces out into our beautiful courtyard. You can fit 2 chairs, a nice table out here, and relax and enjoy the nice weather. Now if you follow me back this way, you'll find additional storage. So we have your coat closet for things like your coats and brooms and vacuums, and then your linen closet. Back here, we have a double vanity, huge vanity space, 2 sinks, bathtub here. And then down this hallway, you'll find your washer dryer. This floor plan is great because it connects to the bedroom also. Now this is one of our larger bedroom spaces. And then you have your walk-in closet. And then we lead ourselves back into the living space. Thank you so much for touring with us.